어릴 때 원했던 어른이 된 나. Oh, she's mine. 놓칠까 달렸던 나.
So today is another day. Welcome back to my uni vlog. Today is another day, so welcome back to my vlog. I think last post ko, it was last month pa, so hi guys, I missed vlogging. Today's a Saturday, so I don't have work, so I have plenty of time to vlog and also deal with personal stuff. Oh, and I'm also planning to go out today. Like, I'm gonna take myself out on a date. I'm gonna work somewhere. I know, sabi ko na Saturday to and don't have work, but like, as a workaholic, I really love planning things and getting things done. So yun yung plan ko for today. But for now, let's unbox some packages that I got kasi super excited ako, guys. I have my matcha here. Ang gamit kong powder ngayon, yung sikat sa TikTok na, wait, I'll get it. Ang dami kasing nagpo-post nito sa TikTok and gusto ko lang siya i-try kasi affordable siya for a ceremonial grade matcha. So, I tried this one. Okay, so unahin ko na to, guys, kasi ito yung gift ko sa sarili ko for finishing 3rd year of college. I got myself new headphones. These are from Sony. This is yung XM6 nila. I just love yung itsura ng XM6. As in, like, look at these. Oh! And ang naging reason ba't ko to, hindi to impulsive purchase, guys, talaga. Kasi, if you guys have been following me since first year ko sa Lasal, you would know na ito yung OG headphones ko. These are from Edifier, and as in everyday ko siya, hindi naman everyday, but like 3 years ko rin ito nagamit talaga. And it still works. Yung talagang, ito lang yung naging problem ko. But yeah, I had to say goodbye kasi grabe naman yung itsura niya, no? So, so yun yung reason why I got these. Since I'm working on my thesis now, kailangan ko talaga ito so I could focus, and yeah, I just love it. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Speaking of thesis, guys, actually yun, life update. I'm actually working on my thesis proposal. I'm almost done. Yun actually yung parang academic load ko for this term because I'm also taking my OJT. Yeah, I'm almost done with my thesis and not thesis, but like thesis proposal. Anyway, next package is from Casetify. So they sent me 2 cases. Ooh, so colorful. I love it. This is the other one. Pink. I'm gonna give this to my mom kasi may lig siya sa pink. And there's also, what's this? Parang phone stand. Oh yeah, parang MagSafe. My current case, it's also from Casetify. And yung lace, or phone, what do you call this? Anong tawag dito, guys? Wait. Phone holder? No, phone charm. Phone charm! Ito siya. Oh! Okay. Oh, I'm gonna keep this. I love. So, ayun. Ano pa bang ibang life update? Oh, I came back from Vietnam just a few weeks ago. Sponty trip, to be honest. I'm gonna be inserting some clips from the trip siguro later in this vlog. This package is from Beyond the Vines. Oh, it's a bag! Another dumpling bag! Confetti dumpling bag. It's like, literal may confetti siya. I love it. Thank you so much, Beyond the Vines. Bilisan na natin kasi anong oras na, guys, and magka-cafe pa tayo. This is from Lucky Beauty. Shut up! Angel Skin Veil. So, I believe this is a skin tint. Ooh. I got the shades Vanilla and Tawny. Oh, and they also gave me their puff. Thank you so much, Lucky Beauty. Okay, this one hindi ko alam kung saan galing or kung nabili ko ba to. Oh! This is my gift for my sister kasi malapit na siya mag-birthday. I got her our favorite talaga namin to pareho, the Charlotte Tilbury powder. Kasi nung nag-Vietnam kami, parang na-hit pa na niya yung sa kanya. So, you know, small gift lang. Last one na, I got the Sola foundation primers. Kasi sabi nila maganda daw to. Nabudol ako kasi buy one take one siya, guys, nung chinek out ko siya. So, okay, so that's it. I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm just gonna fix everything na open ko right now. Okay, bye!
How long is the journey?
This is the outfit of the day. Wearing this white tee and this brown vest. And some pants. I'm bringing my gentlewoman bag for today. Ang dami ko kasi nalalagay here, guys. Kasha rin yung camera ko dito, guys. Sobrang tagal pala ng biyahe here sa Sapa. It was like 6 hours. Yeah, we're here. We're so hungry, so we're going to a restaurant first. And then, siguro sightseeing lang around the Sapa station. This is our room, guys. I forgot to show you. There's a vanity area. Then may walkway. And yeah. I'm ready to go. Oh my gosh. It's good. I think it's 6:30 p.m. and we're here because I'm gonna try yung famous na egg coffee, grilled egg coffee. And I heard it's pretty good here, so oh wow! It's our last day here in Hanoi and I'm getting ready right now kasi we're going to a cafe first before kami mag last minute pasalubong shopping. And yung cafe na pupuntahan namin, yun actually yung napuntahan namin yung second day. It's a Hobbit themed cafe. It's so cute, guys. As in, nung nag-photo kami doon, and nag-reel din ako doon, ang ganda ng background. So yeah, we're going back kasi Ate's gonna film something. I'm gonna share with you guys yung mga products na dinala ko here sa Hanoi. So I used this for my base today, the Sola Foundation Primer. I'm in the shade Light Beige. Maganda yung coverage niya, guys. I like it. Hindi siya drying for me. For my bronzer, I'm using this one, the Issy Cream Stick in the shade Melt. It blends smoothly sa skin. Very natural yung kapit niya sa face ko. And I like using this brush from Sunnies face. This one is for my cheekbones. The other end is for my nose. For my concealer, I brought this NARS Radiant Cream Concealer. This is just lightweight sa skin and hindi ako nagkaka-problem when it comes to creasing when I use this. While my concealer is setting, I'm gonna be putting on my blush. And this is my current obsession, the BARENBLISS Moist Mochi. This is in the shade Sunset Mango. After the blush, I'm gonna be blending my concealer na. So I'm gonna be using this brush from Sunny's Face. Dual-ended din siya. Now, time to set everything with my Charlotte Tilbury Powder, I'm in the shade 01. And this is just the best powder that you could get. For my lips, I'll be using my favorite MAC lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy. I like this shade. Parang matte siya, but it's not too drying. To set everything, let's use this Issy setting spray para lang hindi gumalaw yung makeup. Final step is this Dalba First Spray Serum. This one naman para maging glowy yung face ko. So there, I'm done with my makeup. I'm just gonna get changed and I'll see you guys later. After 2 minutes, dito na kami guys. And tatawid na tayo. We're here! Ta-da! Can I get one salted cream coffee? So, paubos na siya guys. And the first time that we went here, siya lang yung nag-less sweet, pero naging less sweet din yung Hoji Choco. So, na-judge ko siya ko, walang lasa, mas masarap pa yung tinitimpla ko sa bahay. But this time, kalasa lang din niya yung tinitimpla ko sa bahay. But this time, sweeter siya ng konti. 9 out of 10 for me. How about you? What did you get ba? I got salted cream coffee. They're Vietnamese coffee. And it's like, ano lang, magkano ba to? 145,000. The total was... Why? Same. Nagka-coffee ako lately, but hindi ganyan katapang yung mga coffee na tinitikman ko talaga. Mismong cafe, maganda siya for photos, ganun. So, yun lang. That's our review. Okay, so today we are going to unbox 2 packages. Tada! And some stuff from Zara. Para maayos ko na to kasi medyo gumugulo na naman yung room ko, guys. Hindi talaga ako nakaka-function ng maayos or like maka-work. As much as possible, I really try my best to keep my room clean and organized. This is from Sunnies. They sent over some blushes. I like this one, the Healthy Touch Powder Blush. I use the bronzer as well, and the famous na Air Blush. A brow pencil or brow pen. Oh, I already have this. Wait, I'll get it. So here's mine. Ta-da! I still use this. So I won't open this na kasi meron pa naman ako. They sent over their sun safe, some lipsticks. This is from Lucky Beauty naman. They sent 2 boxes, pero isa dito kay ate. So, bibigyan natin ito sa kanya. Lucky Potion Season 2. Oh! So, yung perfume na na-release nila before, travel size na sila. Tada! I actually used the blue one. Wait, kukunin ko din. Ito, nasa bag ko kasi siya. So, ito yung dinala ko sa Vietnam. And, yeah, medyo mabigat nga siya kasi glass siya eh. Ito, this one. The Moment of Peace, yung blue. Ito yung perfume ko na nag-Vietnam, like every day. Okay, so I can keep this na sa room ko and I'll bring this with me. Okay, so medyo matagal ko na itong mga nabili, but di ko pa sila na lalabas kasi nga walang time. But I got a few stuff from Zara. First, I got this red dress. I like kasi yung quality niya, makapal siya. And then this yellow dress. Ganda na ito. It really hugs your body. And then this, oops. And this brown silk dress. Medyo hindi nyo siya ma-appreciate kasi hindi siya like na-steam. But it is really nice and backless siya. So, ayun. Yun na naman ang nabili ko sa Zara. Let's unbox my new shoes. First pair ko ng brown sneakers to. So, well, I feel like I'm gonna use this a lot because I really like brown. It's one of my favorite colors. Gusto ko na rin ipahinga yung samba ko, guys. I feel like I use that every single day or every time I go out. So, kapalit na yung samba ko, guys. Sobrang tortured na kasi yung samba ko, to be honest. So yeah, that is it for this haul, and I'm gonna be fixing my room now. You might be wondering, ano itong mga pads na suot ko. These are toner pads, and I try to use this like every single day para lang ma-prep yung face ko before I put on makeup. Can you guys see the setup? I'm living my drag race fantasy right now with the wigs, and I'm not gonna do like a tutorial kasi honestly, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing it right. I think I'll just catch up with you guys later once I'm done.
Ganda. Maganda.
Climb na tayo. So this is our second layout. I'm
May
wearing
kita
a
ba?
long wig now. Kanina ka
Yeah.
short hair ako.
Huli, dito one. Aura-aura lang. Bigyan mo ng konting hair flip.
Fantasy.
Fantasy!
Okay.
Life of a Disney princess. Bilad sa araw.